Alright, we might be doing better here now. We've already got smoke without even starting to go down the drill yet. Alright, I think we got a coal, folks. So let me get that cedar. Now you can see in the wet, that's not the easiest thing to do. I'm going to lay my cedar down here. Go ahead and pick that coal up now. We're not in a rush with this thing. That coal's going to last a while. I'm going to go. It looks like we got fire there, so what I'm going to do, get some of my smaller sticks here that I've gathered up, put a couple of those small things on top, and we're going to blow that again in a minute. It's alright, you don't have to be in a rush with this stuff. It's going to last a while. That coal's in there. It's in pretty good shape. And we'll just go ahead and put a couple more sticks on here. You're not worried about it flaming up immediately. As long as it's going under there nice. As long as you got some dry stuff to get on top. It's going to catch and we're going to have fire. Now as you can see, with it as wet as it is, even this cedar is having a hard time really getting going. We're going to get it. It's not a problem. But it's going to take a few minutes to coax into flame. All right. Well, there you go. We got our fire, now we're never going to be without fire again. Now I'm not going to throw away that horseweed and that willow. As you can see, we had to make 3 holes. The willow had picked up a lot of moisture through the air, through the humidity that we're having right now, and it made it pretty difficult. When you get that kind of a situation, you have to go slow. Just take your time, warm up your drill, warm up your bow, so you don't have to fight with it. But we got it going. That's the important part. Now, I've been asked questions about why do I use certain woods. Well, here in Missouri we have some woods that are very, very good. Horseweed, goldenrod, mullein. Sometimes you can find some yucca around that is not natural to the area, but people have put it in their yards and it's spread into the wild. That's good as well. For hearth boards, we have poplar or cottonwood. We also have willow, and the other day, you know, I tried rosewood on sycamore. That didn't work because the wood was petrified. It was pretty hard wood, as we found out. That's okay, it's all a learning experience. This is David Wendell with Bushcraft on Fire. I hope you've enjoyed this 5th episode of Almost Naked into the Bush. And I'm going to just bask right here in this fire for a little while, and you all be blessed. Have a great day, and we'll see you on another video soon.